Hey y'all, I'm back again, and I have another unit by Outre. I actually brought this in 2 colors because I thought this bout was so cute. So I have her in the DR chocolate swirl and the 613. You already know I had to get my blonde home. Had to. So this is Miss Davey. She's cute, especially if you're looking for like she's giving me those like kind of beachy waves. So yeah, I already know I was gonna love this color because I brought chocolate swirl and other units. She's really nice. All right, so let's get into the cap construction. It's not the best made, however, this is gonna be a side part, so I think she might be a right side part. I don't know, you know, I'll let you know. Or is that gonna be? Yeah, she is gonna be on the right. So she's gonna be on the right side, y'all. All right, so you gotta come over here, and you got comb in the back, and you got the adjustable straps. So let me go ahead and get the lace cut, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. So this file gets bigger as you comb through it. It's a lot of hair. I don't know, honey. Okay, so here's the 613. I didn't even mess with it. I just popped her on because I didn't want her to get like super big on me. So there she is on the right side, the back, and the left side. This ain't I like this one better. You know me, but I love blonde, but I think I just love this one better. I don't know why. Maybe because I didn't pick her out and she ain't like super big, but I ain't messing with it because this thing tangles, and I already know with that other one, like with the what was it, chocolate swirl, with it tangling and stuff like that. But the same thing with this one, it's a small cap, so keep that in mind. And it was like tangling crazy. I ain't really picking with this one, like I said. I don't want it tangling stuff for me. I mean, it's a cute little, you know, wig. It's just the style and the cut's cute, but they could have like dialed it back a little bit with the density. So like that's my only beef with it as far as that goes. I mean, and it's a smaller cap too, because I don't even have like my head. All I got is like the stocking cap with this, and it's tight. So yeah, and there's the hairline. Here's the baby hairs and whatnot. If you want to lay those down, I'm not going to. I'm gonna go ahead and do another review or whatever. So yeah, I'm glad I was able to bring this to y'all and show y'all or whatnot. My hair is itching. But yeah, please like, subscribe, share, and I will see you guys in the next review. Toodles.